We're making chocolate chip cookies.
To start, you need these 3 basic ingredients. Add your package into a large bowl. Then add a 1/3 cup of oil. Add 2 tablespoons water. You'll need a stick of butter. And microwave it for 15 seconds. Add it into the bowl. Now crack an egg. Mix it up. It's looking good. Now, add them onto a tray with a non-stick parchment paper. Yum! They're almost ready. Remember to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and add it in the oven for 8 minutes. They're ready. Wow, these look good. Yum. Enjoy.